Samsung is back at it again with the slimmest, sharpest, and most futuristic flagship yet. Meet the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, the phone that's not just powerful, but practically a slice of the future in your palm. Is it worth your hard-earned money? So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's get into the S25 Edge, Samsung's latest leap into the future. Let's start with the design. The first thing that strikes you about the Galaxy S25 Edge is how unbelievably slim and light it is. At just 5.8 millimeters thick and weighing only 163 grams, it almost disappears in your pocket. Samsung's gone all in on materials this year. The phone features a titanium frame, while the front and back are covered with next-gen Gorilla Glass. Now the display, wow! The S25 Edge features a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED 2X panel. It supports HDR10+, runs at a super smooth 120 Hz, and thanks to the adaptive refresh rate, it balances battery life and responsiveness intelligently. The resolution? A crisp 1440 by 3120, which delivers deep contrast, vibrant colors, and razor-sharp text. Even under direct sunlight, the screen holds its own with a measured peak brightness of 1416 nits. Flip to the back and you're greeted by a powerful dual-camera system. The main sensor is a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel wide-angle shooter. It delivers exceptional detail, even when zooming in. The secondary lens is a 12-megapixel ultrawide with a wide 13mm field of view. Video capabilities are equally impressive. You can shoot 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at up to 120 frames per second, and buttery smooth 1080p slow motion at 240 frames per second. Up front, there's a 12-megapixel selfie camera, sharp and quick with dual-pixel autofocus. Talking about the colors, this year's color palette leans into elegance and sophistication. The Galaxy S25 Edge is available in 3 finishes: titanium silver, offering a clean, professional aesthetic; titanium icy blue, which shifts beautifully in the light; and titanium jet black, a stealthy matte look. Each variant feels as premium as it looks. Let's talk performance, and this phone is a monster. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, a 3nm chipset that combines power efficiency with raw speed. But beyond numbers, it's the smoothness and fluidity in real use that really makes this phone shine. Storage is not a problem anymore here. You get 2 storage configurations, 256GB with 12GB RAM and 512GB with 12GB RAM. There's no SD card slot this time, but with storage this fast and abundant, you're unlikely to miss it. With a body this slim, Samsung had to get clever with battery life, and they did. The 3900 mAh cell may seem small on paper, but efficiency is where this phone excels. Charging is handled by 25-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. You can get from 0 to 55% in about 30 minutes, which is decent, though we'd love to see faster speeds next year. Audio quality is solid. The stereo speakers are loud, crisp, and have a surprising amount of depth. No 3.5mm jack here, but if you're going wireless, the S25 Edge supports high-resolution codecs via Bluetooth 5.4. Connectivity is another area where the S25 Edge delivers. It supports the latest Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, ultra-wideband, and Samsung DeX. There's dual SIM support, with a mix of nano SIMs and eSIMs, and GPS options cover every major satellite network. Despite its sleek design, the Galaxy S25 Edge is built tough. It's rated IP68, so it's fully dust-tight and water-resistant. That titanium frame and Gorilla Glass combo? They offer real protection in everyday life. So, is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge worth your money? If you value top-tier performance and a sleek, modern design and want flagship cameras, gorgeous visuals, then yes, absolutely. This is a phone built for the future. Let me know in the comments, is the S25 Edge your next phone? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next review.